What album is good enough that he has already released to be good enough right now to save him from this situation?
Do you think musically
Nothing
needs
was
to
the
be
same.
how he comes back to the people?
I'm telling you, I don't think that he can come back to the people. I've heard the music that I like from him over the past 50 tracks that he's released in the last year. I don't think people understand. Niggas released like 50 to 70 songs in the last year.
50 to 70?
He released a whole album.
Are you talking about the leak shit?
I'm talking about everything. We can call it
the
leak,
gigabytes, whatever.
the gigabyte shit, the shit that he put out, like any song that he featured
Oh, you talking about
on.
the party shit?
I'm talking about
everything. Okay,
He's
okay,
released
okay.
more music than Kendrick Lamar in the last 12 months. He's released more music than J. Cole, Kanye West, Jay-Z, Rick Ross, Sexy Red.
For All the Dogs
Flo
was
Rida.
before that beef, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
So do you
including
think
all
that
the
he's
features.
oversaturated himself over time and
I'm not-
just
I don't know
getting
what
out
he's-
there?
He just saying, all right. So my answer is nothing was the same.
I'm just saying nothing has worked.
And he's saying the music. He's saying, feel me, like, can the music save him at this point? Can some fire shit save him?
And
No.
and I really want to say, can he make the fire shit that he would save him by saying, yo, what album is fire enough that he has already put out to save him from a moment like this? And to me, the only album is actually, it's not, to me, it's not Nothing Was the Same. It's just, if you're reading this.
If you're reading this, I think that's a better answer.
Because it has enough energy.
Yeah.
It's not the pop stuff at
It
all.
has more bravado.
More bravado.
And it's not as sad as the one with the baby head in the blue.
Yeah,
What is
Nothing Was
that?
the Same.
Yeah.
That's
And he didn't write
that's
If You're
my-
Reading
That's my
This.
shit.
Yeah, I love that album. I'm
He
just saying-
didn't write it.
He didn't.
If you're reading this, it's too late.
Mm.
Well, I don't know how much he wrote. I'm not gonna say he didn't write any of it.
I mean, we know what he wrote. Bro,
Yeah, but-
bro, we gotta stop caping for niggas. It's cool that you
No,
didn't
but
write
I'm
it,
not gonna
gonna-
discredit like he's a great writer, so I'm not gonna sit here
How
and
do we
say he
still
didn't,
saying
he
this,
didn't
bro?
write
Like,
shit.
We keep talking about a song he wrote for Alicia Keys and Jamie Foxx in 2010
No,
to prove he's a great writer for himself and others, like my boy Jay-Z said. So where are the rest of the tracks that he wrote? Because we know Jay-Z was writing tracks for Snoop and Dre and others all the way
He was
through.
wrote.
Yay, he was writing for.
No, I'm saying.
So who is
wrote for
Drake
Ye.
been writing for that makes us say he's a great writer?
I think.
Yay, Beyonce.
That's true, he did write for you. Beyonce, when did he write a song for Beyonce?
Did I make that up? I don't know.
I think he might have made. He was in the studio with Beyonce during when she was making Renaissance, and then he dropped Honestly Never
He
Mind.
did write some shit for Beyonce. I'm not
right before that.
I can't tell you exactly the record, but
So I mean,
so again, yeah. Like
I
I'm
just
not gonna
feel
sit
like
here and act
we
like the
met
nigga just
Drake,
the
me
nigga
and
just
you.
sit there and be like, yo, just give me ideas. I don't got nothing. Like
Me
we ain't
and
gonna
you
do that.
met Drake doing what he loved. So he was working at Degrassi. He was writing. He was making music.
I
That's
don't know
what.
if that nigga wrote them rap. Like, what?
All right.
That
So
I just
so
feel like we just gotta stop. We gotta give artists room to be an artist, but I don't think he's
I'm
gonna get back to.
I'm gonna give niggas room to be great at what they great. What I seen you great at. I'm not gonna tell Shaq that he probably great at shooting free throws when I never seen him shooting free throws. What he is great at is dominating niggas down low in the paint, being super swift up and down the court. I'm not gonna give him.
Yeah, but
the,
now Shaq's not on the court, so now Shaq is doing other things to touch the community and keep his name in a certain light, and that's what Drake needs to do.
so what? So when
Leave
I'm
rap alone
after
and
he
find something
said,
else
"You
to
nigga,
do.
you the nigga that tried to get the slaves free." You think he could turn to activism?
no, so
I don't think he can do that.
I'm gonna
That's
go
like the
with
light-skinned
I'm gonna
dog.
go with what Chandler said for me many times here, which is that he should take a break. He should take a break, like you said, to the point where the people miss him and the game needs him.
That's
and they're-
not gonna
and they're
happen, bro.
clamoring-
Niggas
and they're-
gotta- Well,
and
it
they're
can't
The
happen
clamoring
game
if
for-
you
don't
got
need
70
none of
songs.
you niggas, bro. Like let's be for real. This is what they showed, my boy. This is what they took the time to write this statement for. They wanted
So-
my boy to understand. So this is the statement from Universal Music Group. From the outset, this suit was an affront to all artists in their creative expression and never should have seen the light of day. We're pleased with the court's dismissal and look forward to continue our work successfully promoting Drake's music and investing in his career. They let niggas know right there with that statement, nigga, get your ass back to work. And until you get back to work for us, it ain't gonna work in this bitch. Cause literally released 50 songs. It doesn't matter if Ty counted them up. None of the shit from, what was the joint with him and Party? Worked. None of it worked.
Somebody Loves Me. That was a.
Look at the chart position for the last 40 weeks.
But we know why. We
works.
know why the chart position. They fucking with the shit.
So nigga, get your ass back to work. It never was you.
So
it was only us.
So what I'm saying,
it was always us, brother. It was, we stamped you as an
machine,
icon.
yes.
You need that machine, bro. All of these people talking about when he go independent, he gonna show the music world. Bruh, they've been doing this for at least 70 years.
Right.
He's not gonna show nobody nothing. They already have cornered the markets with Spotify and streaming. They own the streaming networks.
It's a conglomerate.
They own the AI networks. They got Leor over at YouTube.
Yes. Radio, everything. It's all consolidated. But you said that he should take a break. You said so. Now you feel differently.
I feel differently now because he's exposed to everyone. When taking the break, the allegations, like you just said, they could possibly fly. Man, the game is missing Drake and it's a little bit boring. The problem is Drake has been dropping steadily.
So that's the difference now. Yeah.
If he had set out and niggas felt that boredom, he could come back and say, y'all missed me, didn't you? But the nigga has been very active. He interviewed.
He wouldn't stop.
Yeah. Songs.
He's been going down for
videos,
a while.
live
thinking
streams.
of him at Dreamville.
Yeah, you're right.
We can't say that the game has been missing Drake because it's been Drake infested.
But if he stops now, you said we
already saw what it was.
And chills for like a year. You don't think?
No, because easily.
I feel like Drake was already on decline. That's just seeing him, like, even at Dreamville.
That's a fact.
Seeing how the energy of the crowd when Drake came out.
Yeah.
And he was getting chatty with it. Like, he was arguing back with the crowd. Like, oh, like, y'all don't want me here?
This
type
shit's sad.
shit.
This is sad.
And it's not to say because, bro, this is odd
lie.
because I'm the one that be sitting here listening to the songs like this is a bop. And you're the one that's like, I just can't get into it because of the personality situation.
And when
Bro,
was
I'm
here,
tapped into the
And I'm
music.
the one that
Sim
listens
said the
to
same
Drake
thing when
and
he was
can't
here.
look at
That's
Drake.
what everybody's saying. I'm tapped into the music, bro. I love the music. For a lot of people, it's about a lot of other things involved with the music.
Yeah.
So it's not me that's not gonna let the nigga back in. I already let him back in. When he did that song with Gordo last summer, that with the Africans in the video, I was like, oh, my nigga got joints. Like, this is crazy. Nobody was fucking with it, bro.
Shit crazy, bro.
Now anybody that stood on his side look crazy.
But like you said, bro, to summarize this, like you said, bro, if they created you, then nigga they can end you.
Bro.
And everybody's run comes to an end.
And they created everything, bro.
And they created everything.
They don't, bro, this is literally the Queen of England saying everybody has to be out of their house and at the amphitheater to see the new production. Because through the new production, you're going to get the rules of the new society. You're going to see where we're going with this in a fun and entertaining way. And if we knock on your door while everybody's at the amphitheater and you're at your house, nigga, you're arrested. Because you got to watch what we trying to show you so we can control you through the entertainment, bro. It's blood sport. It's what we've been doing for thousands of years, bro.
Shit, cutthroat.
Shit is cutthroat.
Cutthroat business.
So just to encapsulate everything, this is the actual decision of the judge. Drake has brought this action against UMG for defamation, harassment in the second degree, and violation of Section 349 of the New York General Business Law. Before the court is defendant's motion to dismiss pursuant to Rule 12b-6 of the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. Because the court concludes that the allegedly defamatory statements in Not Like Us are non-actionable opinion, the motion to dismiss is granted. Drizzy, this is what I would do if I were you. I would sue my attorneys if they told me I could win the case. I don't think they told you that you could win the case because you're not suing them. I think Drake knew from the get-go. I think they told him. Because anybody, you knew, I knew, any third-year law student knew, fourth graders knew. Bruh, this is non-actionable. You engaged, you initiated.
Yeah, from the beginning, it was weak. You know, it was a weak case. Not a weak, well, it was a weak move to sue, but it was also...
It was, I got in a fight and now I want to go tell mom.
It was like, wait, what's the, what are we presenting to, like, as our case here for, you know what I mean? Okay, nah, that ain't gonna, nah.
This is where I'm going to end it, because I'm a spoiled boy myself. So I know what Drake's is going to do next. When you're spoiled, you're going to get your way. You're going to go to the next person and the next person and the next person until you get some semblance of a win. But bro, Drake, I get that part. Because this is the part that everybody else don't get. Part of what he's doing is moving fearlessly. Like moving without restriction because he knows I have the right to do that. And I can never stand against that. Because I'm that spoiled boy too. I'm going to do whatever I feel like doing. Especially if I feel like you slighted me. But here's the problem, Drake. Sometimes in the commission of that, you embarrass yourself.
Facts.
So just weigh that up, nigga. Like, do you want to be more embarrassed than you already have been? Because you and me both know you can come back from this. But how long do you want to be in the pot, man? Just get out, man. Help us.
That's the thing. It's like, yeah, okay.
You gotta touch the community.
No, I don't want to say
my
because
advice
I don't.
for you, Drake, is to really take accountability for